We've been talking about different noun cases lately, and mostly we've been focusing on the nominative, which is the subject, and the accusative, which is the direct object. And to be quite honest, you can read a lot of Latin with just those two noun cases. But today we want to focus a little bit more on the genitive case. You may recall that when we first started off all this business, we said the genitive case was used to show possession or ownership. And there are three basic ways to show possession in English. We can do that with apostrophe S, we can do it with S apostrophe, or we can use the helping word of. Okay? Remember the difference. Apostrophe S is singular, when one thing is owning or possessing something. S apostrophe is plural, when more than one person or thing owns something. And an of can be used either singular or plural. So let's take an example and see what we've got here. What if we had a sentence like this? What if we had equi reginarum sunt in via? Okay? Well, the first thing I want to know is which word in here is my genitive case word? Well, if you know your declension endings, you'll spot right away that the arum is genitive. In fact, it's genitive plural from first declension. Remember the endings, I, arum, there it is, is, us, is. So now I've got to say, well, how am I going to say this sentence? I could say the horses of the queens are in the road. Okay? So I could have shown the possession using the of, indicating that multiple queens own these horses who are in the road. We could have also written it another way. We could have said the queen something horses are in the road. The real question is, do I want apostrophe S or S apostrophe? Well, it's very clear in the Latin, arum is genitive plural. As we said, S apostrophe is plural. So in this sentence, I'd want to say the queen's horses, S apostrophe. Now, if you're not sure about using the apostrophe S or the S apostrophe, if that messes you up, you can always use the of. But that's really what's going on with genitive case. And as Forrest Gump would say, that's all I got to say about that.